Guys, let's see if we can finish 7 up without burping. Let's get into it. And but while we are doing this, we will be watching one of my videos.
Come on, Julia.
So, let's start watching this video. I'll be reacting to my follow-up video. What's it?
I have a surprise for you.
And what?
It's for me. Huh? But I have a special surprise. I have no life, but my brother plays baseball. What's next, again?
Today.
Today.
The pilot one.
Day, I'll dance party in the house.
I did. Shut.
Julia.
But what kind of question is that? Are we doing it about? No, we're just doing it.
Julia, we don't have any Pringles.
No. Buy some at the store while we're getting stuff for cupcakes. I never did this one. Since this one this week, I'm
Wait a
going to
minute.
color it in.
I haven't booked yet, guys.
We're supposed to have a dance party. Yay, a dance party.
She put that up. Oh! You can see the bathroom. A ball and all. Yeah, but. Yeah, but. I hate that. Yeah, but. I hate it. That's lucky. So guys, when I broke, the video just ends. It just like ends. But you didn't miss anything, guys. Oh! Ow. Okay, what's that? I'll go later. Hey, do Mama. Okay. Mom?
What?
Can you make me this one? Oh. Big Mom. No. No, we won't. Hey, what? Why do we need on? Why do they have to be on? What? Yeah. Definitely. I know I got the big green appeal. I'm so creative. Oh, I said if it doesn't pick up, it's fine. Yeah, I said it was fine. Sorry, I didn't restart it. I don't know what that was. You want to spoil it? So, yeah, we did already see this part, but... Okay, I'll hold that for this one. So guys, you see it. 7 out of 10.
That was Julia's pick.
I saw something. Oh, that's a
Right phone.
You go to my face. Kidding? So I give it, I guess. But I go, it's not possible to drink a 7-Up can. I'm not even done. It's impossible to drink a 7-Up can.
something said.
And apple.